Hello, welcome back to my channel. So if you're interested in using this even whitening body lotion, please stay tuned to find out more. Thank you. So this even whitening body lotion is a very strong whitening cream that can be used by all skin type. It depends on the shade that you're looking for. For example, if you're looking about 2 or 3 shades lighter, this cream is for you. It depends the way you mix it. This cream is a very strong whitening lotion that can be used even though a sensitive skin person or a mature skin can use this lotion. This lotion is amazing and you can easily use it with the serum together. But if you don't want too much shade and you just want something that will just clear your skin normally, you can use it alone. And if you have a very sensitive skin that cream is easily to penetrate on your skin, I will say that you should first of all use this cream on its own before you start adding the serums and the oils on it. But if you already have a mature skin and your skin is hard for you cream to penetrate, so you can mix it up with the serums and also the oil and the soap, and it will really give you about 4 to 5 shades lighter. It's a very strong whitening lotion, so please do not mess around with it. And if you start mixing it with different type of products, you might end up with a dark knuckle and skin discoloration. So just use it the way it was instructed and then you see a massive result in your body. A dark skin person who tries to jump into this cream, I will advise you for you to first of all use it on its own before jumping into mixing different products on it. So that's all I have to say, and please do not forget to subscribe to my channel. Thank you. Bye.